but I don't want you to talk shit like that. And your sergeant is aware of this. Okay, we spoke to
Police abuse. No, listen, you're
and Rocky's aware of this.
I don't give a shit.
No, but don't
No,
touch him like
not
that.
in the middle of our procession.
No, not in the middle of our procession. You can do that somewhere else.
Taking away. I'm just talking to you.
You're not.
Don't get in my way.
Excuse me.
Come on in so I can have a chat.
No, you can't.
No,
And listen,
don't do this to me.
no, you don't do this.
No, you can't. Sorry.
Don't get in my way. Alright, I just need to talk to you.
At the temple. At the temple.
Come over here so I can have a chat. That's all it is. I need to talk to you. That's all it is. And then that's all it is.
Shame on you. No, I'm going to get the boss on for you in 2 minutes. Don't touch me.